Hello friends and welcome to this guide. I will show with you step by step how to buy product from G2G platform. So guys, you can select any category here. After that, you log in your account. Before that, click log in your account. If you don't log in, you can log in easily. And then guys, select your categories, for example, gift cards or game. If you want to purchase gift card, click this one. And then you can see this option, trading gift cards. For example, you want to purchase Apple items, just click this one, and then all you have to do, choose any offer you want to buy for you. For example, this one, this 100 USD gift card. Click this gift card you want to purchase, and then you will see purchase or checkout page. Guys, just await, click buy now, and then guys, just await to secure your payment page. After that, guys, you see this is your order details, and then just wait, this is your order number. As you can see here, just you have to this option, guys, choose your credit card number or details for your credit card, such card numbers and expire date and card name. For example, this is my name, and then click your this buy processing purchase, and I accept term and service and click pay now. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me a like and give share this video. You can also, guys, purchase games as softwares and apps. Just complete these steps. Thanks for watching.